Hello and welcome back. Big news for Google Meet users and fans. You can now replace your background without using any of the third-party tool. Yes folks, that's right. Google Meet has now given you the option to replace your background with a background of your choice. Going into a new meeting, and let's start a new instant meeting. Once the camera is started up, you can see the background and change background icon down in the bottom right hand side of your screen. Clicking on that gives you the options. You've got the options to slightly blur your background. There you go, we are slightly blurred. And you know, you can move around and wave your arms about and it tracks quite well with a nicely lit room. No green screens here. Then you can totally blur your background. No worries. Again, still works quite well. You've got a bit of misting if you don't want anyone to see your cluttered workspace. Then you have the options to pick from a number of preset Google backgrounds. One there for firework night, one for the roses. If you want to put yourself under the sea, again, no background. It's pretty good. You can see with the lights coming on the side, it's picking up the sides of my face. Or again, you can put your own background in. This can be simply done by clicking the Use Image from Disk, depicted by the plus in the center of the screen. This brings up then File Explorer, point you to a location where you've got your backgrounds of choice. For example, hey, we could put ourselves in a bar. Let's select that one, click on Open, and there I am in a bar, which during these times is a rare occurrence indeed. Dead easy. So these are typically old JPEG pictures, no dramas, or you could say you can use the ones that have come in straight from Google. As you'll notice, because I've used that background in my custom image, it's added it to my library. Clicking it again puts you back in your location of choice. Nice and easy. There you go. When you join your meeting, your webcam will switch on and there you are in your background of choice. Couldn't be any easier. Now, before you used to use applications like ChromaCam, that sort of thing, use green screens, have some sort of interface in between the camera and what Meet was seeing. Now, it's all done inside. That's not to say if you had a green screen behind you or a unified background, it wouldn't be picked up a little bit better. It probably would be. If your lighting was probably better than what I've got in this room as well, that would be better also. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed the video. It's a new functionality within Google Meet. Try it out. I'm sure you can have some fun.